Hey, what's good everybody? Welcome back to our YouTube channel mahagurus.com. So in today's tutorial we will learn how can we find an average of a data in Microsoft Excel. So I would suggest you guys to please follow each and every steps as I say, and without wasting any time, let's get started. So guys, first you have to select the cells. Like here I'm selecting C5 to J5. And just going to home. In this ribbon you will see the editing group, and here it's auto sum and a little arrow over there. Just click on it and just click average and you are done. Get it? And the same you can do in a column, like just select this one and click on home, again auto sum and average, and you are done, as you can see guys. So that's all for today. Thank you.
If you really like the content, then please like the video and click subscribe to see more videos like this. And don't forget to share this video with others. You can find the link to complete basics to advanced Excel tutorial in the description below, or you can visit mahagurus.com to see lots of other software courses. Thank you.